2018. A great year, I think. Hi everybody, and welcome to this view of what we have been doing in this year 2018. And what I think is that we have used a lot of different material, and I've picked some drawings, one of each month, and here you can see we've been trying out charcoal, and we've been busy with the pastel pencils, and we've been drawing on different kinds of paper. And sometimes we were drawing portraits, sometimes we were drawing animals. Those are portraits too, of course. But we've also been busy with drawing perspective and keeping our minds really active by trying out all kinds of ways of drawing. And I love that. And I'm sure that you love that too, because I've had a lot of lovely comments. And on all the kinds of media, on the YouTube, on the Facebook, on Patreon, on Instagram, and I love to share. So please let us keep doing that also in the next year of 2019, of course. It's have been a rumbling year too, but what was very nice also, that was in the month of November, we all together reached the 50,000 subscribers on the YouTube. So that's awesome. Thank you all so much for all your enthusiasm, and I wish you all the best for 2019, all the creativity, and we will meet again next year.